Good morning, gentlemen. In today's deliberation, I will be focusing on more and more about blast furnace, that is micro blast furnace. So now onwards, 7 to 10 series will be uh, recorded based on my new patent, that is micro blast furnace. So here main facets are more than 9, but gentlemen, remember well, okay, as far as India and China is concerned, China produces more than 10 times than what India produces today. So with this smart technology, right, it will be possible to formulate multiple clusters throughout India, and India will be catching up with the Chinese counterpart. So friends, as far as microblast furnace is concerned, so my present patent that is addressing new design of microblast furnace as well as the existing blast furnace. So existing blast furnace 3 to 18% efficiency can be increased, and productivity can be increased up to 200%. But the main constraint will be charging speed, because with a lot of modification, modern blast furnace have reached a optimum level. With my present patents, even further increment of production will be possible with the present blast furnace working throughout India or across the globe. And second part is establishing 12-meter cube to 50-meter cube micro blast furnaces. Remember friends, this 12-meter cube blast furnace, they will be providing you somewhere 24 metric ton per day, and within a sport span or within few hours, if your planning changes, you can aim up to 50 ton or 75 metric ton with the same setup. Advantage of microblast furnace are numerous, which will I be elaborating in my various videos consecutively followed by the present one. But remember well, friends, all my patents are categorized in three broad category. One is on ferrous, another is on aluminium, and third one is on refractory. So remember, if microblast furnace which provides you 50 metric ton, yeah, 24 metric ton to 75 metric ton, and if they are added with 40 metric ton batch size induction melting, which can be raised, which will be raised up to 110 metric ton within 3-4 years only. So it is possible to set up backward integration as well as forward integration of existing steel plant, to set up new plant aiming for 1 lakh metric ton to few million tons per annum capacity. Remember well friends, here requirement of capital, requirement of your yard size, requirement of your raw material, the variety of raw material, controls, everything will be so simplified, it will be very easy to operate these furnaces. Here I will be uh, giving you one more detail. Okay, these microblast furnaces, they can be start in oxidizing condition just like cupola, and when the whole system is reached up to a temperature or thermal level, right, then they can be easily switched over to reducing atmosphere, that is the iron ore route. So it will be very easy for banking, it will be very easy for reducing the production, it will be very easy to scale up the production, it will be very easy to manage your finance, to manage your production, to manage your variety of grades, and a windfall profits can be attained with this type of technology. Thank you. Thank you very much.